If sin x plus sin square x equals to 1, then cos raised to 8x plus 2 cos raised to 6x plus cos raised to 4x equals to, here, sin x plus sin square x equals to 1. Therefore, sin x equals to, take sin square x on the other side, 1 minus sin square x, that is cos square x, right? Therefore, sin x equals to cos square x. Now, what we require? LHS. See, required, what is required? Just target that only. Cos raised to 8x plus 2 cos raised to 6x plus cos raised to 4x. So, cos square x equals to sin x. Therefore, this becomes what? Sin raised to 4x plus 2 sin cube x plus sin square x, right? So, this becomes what? Sin square x the whole square plus 2 sin square x into sin x plus sin x the whole square. So this is what now? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can write this sin square x plus sin x the whole square, right? But that is given as in the question itself, sin x plus sin square x equals to 1. So this becomes 1. 1 square, that is 1. So 1 is the answer.